Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can join the Please Donate Discord server. So just load up Discord and we wanna press on the plus icon right here near the bottom, and where it says have an invite already, you wanna press on join a server, and this is what you need to type. You need to type discord.gg/Hazem. This is the creator of the game. So written like this, and we wanna press on join server. And it will take you to another page. So you wanna highlight which server you wanna enter. So for us, it's gonna be Please Donate. It's already highlighted. So click next. Here you can get a notification for different things. I'm just going to leave it as so, and we're going to finish. And now, if we go to the welcome channel, as you can see, we have officially entered the Please Donate Discord server. However, this reads you must complete a few more steps before you talk. So we're just going to click on complete. We're going to read through the rules and we're going to highlight this. I have read and agreed to the rules. Click on submit, and now you are officially in the Please Donate Discord server. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.